Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to a laptop. First, make sure your Sony headphones are fully charged and powered on. Next, confirm that your laptop's Bluetooth is enabled. You can usually find this in your system settings or quick actions. Finally, keep your headphones within about 1 meter of your laptop for the best connection during the pairing process. Now, let's get your Sony headphones into pairing mode. First, ensure your headphones are completely powered off. Then, press and hold the power button for approximately 5 to 7 seconds. You should hear a voice guidance saying Bluetooth pairing or see an indicator light flashing rapidly, signaling they are ready to connect to a new device. With your headphones in pairing mode, turn your attention to your laptop. Open your laptop's settings by clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon. Then, navigate to Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Add Device, and from the options, select Bluetooth. Your laptop will now search for nearby devices. Locate and click on your Sony headphones in the list to initiate the connection. Once selected, your laptop should show a paired status for your Sony headphones. You can now enjoy your audio wirelessly. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your headphones and your laptop. For persistent problems, open your laptop settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter to diagnose and resolve common connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.